Hey YouTube, I know y'all can't really see me that well, but just follow me. Alright, so this video I'm going to make about truck maintenance. Now, there's different ways you can get your truck worked on. Like, the first thing is you can either have your own mechanic do it, learn how to do it yourself. If you work for a mega company, get your mega company's terminal to do it, or you can try a TA, a Love's, some pilots, and maybe some flying J's might have them, but that's rare. But like I said, TA is the major biggest chain with taking your truck to get worked on. So I haven't found a personal mechanic yet, but I am definitely going to get in the process of learning how to work on this truck, because the amount of money that they charge you just to do things that shouldn't cost that much, to me, I find it to be highway robbery. So I called TA today, right? And because I was on my way there to get fuel. So I said, you know what, I can knock two birds out with one stone and try to get my oil change and a DOT inspection. Another thing too, as a lease op and owner op, if you decide to come one, there's two things you need to worry about as far as legal matters with these trucks every once a year, and that's your permits and everything. All your permits need to be up to date, and you need to make sure that your DOT inspection for your truck is within time. And the good thing that I like about Prime is, say you just working so hard, and it's so easy to forget any and everything out here. Like, you truly can forget things, but what they do is they send you a message on the Qualcomm to remind you of what need to be done. Because to be honest with you, I didn't even know that you had to get a DOT inspection on these trucks every year. So by them sending me the messages to let me know that, hey, your truck, and they send it 30 days early. So they said, well, your truck is in due of a DOT inspection, 30 days coming up, so make sure you get on top of that. So that's cool. So at the TA, she's wanted to charge, I believe it was $179 for a DOT inspection, but the guy wasn't going to be until tomorrow, so I had to be waiting on him. And then when I priced the oil change, she said it's I think it's $239 or $279, and for the type of engine I got, which is a DDT 15 Detroit, she said it's $279, and that's just conventional oil change. That's not including like filters, like whatever filters you might need, because some trucks take multiple filters, but mine's only had one. This particular truck only has one oil filter and one fuel filter, so she don't know the price on that until she know what type of engine I got, blah, blah, blah. So I asked her, because I like taking care of my stuff, and synthetic oil is way better than conventional oil, because first of all, you can get a longer mileage on your oil change, and it coats the engine, because we drive a lot. So because we putting a lot of pressure on this engine, that's even in your personal car, you would want to try, if you can afford to, go with full synthetic. So she said it'll be an upcharge of $200 just to try to get from conventional to full synthetic. $200? Why I gotta pay upwards of $200 for just to say just switch the oil? I know it's gonna be an upward charge, but $200 from $279 to $479 for a freaking oil change? Really? That's a bunch of bogus BS. So, man, I tell you, boy, as a truck driver, man, you would really think that we get more respect than we do out here, but we don't. There's always somebody out there trying to put their hand in our pockets. If it ain't taxes, if it ain't these stupid truck stops, always trying to upcharge everything in the stores they sell you. Now they upcharging everything to fix your truck. What the hell would America do if the truck shut down, decide to say F all of y'all, since nobody wants to work with a truck driver with with more deals? Because I mean, it's rough out here. All truck drivers ain't paid like that, especially a small person trying to get off their feet And even though I might be a small person trying to get off my feet, I'm still contributing to the movement of making sure that y'all get y'all free. Because without a truck driver, y'all wouldn't have shoes on y'all feet, y'all wouldn't have foods in y'all markets, anything and everything that y'all buy out these stores, a truck driver done delivered it somewhere. And I find it to be flabbergastic BS that the government don't try to give us discounts, more discounts on stuff. I mean, Grant, okay, I always refer to military because I really find a lot of resemblance. Now, military people, they get benefits everywhere they go. So why in the hell can't a truck driver get the same type of benefits? Because we out here dealing with a lot of stuff, sacrificing our life and everything else just to make sure that the citizens have what they need. So, I mean, when she said that, I almost got so mad. I just kind of hung up on her because even though I know it ain't her fault, but that's not fair, you know. Y'all trying to add all kind of charges onto everything when we the ones that if it wasn't for us, you wouldn't have what you have. So $479 for a fourth synthetic oil change from TA. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna learn. Matter of fact, I already know how to change the oil. I just need to figure what jack is made for semis so that I can jack this son of a gun up, get a tin can that can hold 11 gallons. Because I think this takes 11, not gallons, but quarts. 11 quarts of, no, it is gallons. Yep, 11 gallons of oil. So if I can figure a way to jack this truck up and find my tin can that holds that amount, I'm changing my own goddamn oil. I'm changing it myself. And it's cheaper just to buy the parts than paying for labor. Because they getting really ridiculous out here. So I called Prime. That's what I try to do, even though they always booked up and it's hard to get appointments. So the best thing to do is to call. If you can call weeks ahead of time, that's better. You know for sure you're going to get an appointment in and you're going to get in. So I made my appointment for 2 weeks out, and I'm going to go to them to get my DOT inspection with them, and they only charging $75. And for the oil change, I think it's like $300 for a 4 p.m. and a semi-synthetic oil change, and plus they grease you up and all that for $300. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna keep it with Prime and keep it moving. So alright, y'all, I just thought I'd share that with y'all because that really made me mad. I was like, ooh, these damn places, man. I mean, as a truck driver, you can't catch a break. You can't catch a break. If it ain't from road assist to mechanic shops to taxes to legal matters to now these dang ELDs. How you gonna put ELDs to mess with our money when y'all trying to take our money any damn way? Like, dang, you want our money, so help us make the stuff so we can pay y'all mother bleeps. You know what I'm saying? So I had to get that up off my chest, man. That made me mad. Alright, y'all. I know it ain't nothing nobody can do about it, but if enough truck drivers stood up and stuck together and did a petition, I bet you that'd change. But enough truck drivers ain't going to do it. Nobody wants to stick together to make a change because I guess people are scared. But shoot, if there was ever a rally to where they wanted to get up, you know, to make a change in this trucking field, I'd do it. I sure would. Y'all already know I'm a rebel all day, every day. So I'm always about an impact and change. So time is the essence, everyone. Let's love each other, not judge each other, because I love y'all and I would never judge y'all. I even love my haters. So alright, y'all, I'll be getting back with y'all in a little bit to conclude my day for this 3rd day fast. And so far so good. I don't feel bad or anything. Only, like I said, mentally, like I was going to go to the TA, but I'm not. And I'm sure if I would have went to the TA, just memories of what I usually eat there would have probably been tempting me. So I don't think that's a good idea. So yeah, everything happens for a reason. So alright, y'all, hope y'all being blessed out there. Y'all stay warm and have a lovely night. So deuces.